Faraday Future is just 4 days away from the global initial launch of its FX Super One, having made progress in its B2B business model, securing an additional 700-unit deposit agreement for the FX Super One, bringing the total number of binding deposit agreements to 4,800 units. Faraday Future has partnered with companies like MetaMega Group, a premium family office services firm, and the Alps, a leading global MCN agency and key TikTok partner. The company has also launched a stockholder perks program, offering valuable benefits such as a $3,500 voucher toward the purchase of the FX Super One to show appreciation for its stockholders. They've also introduced a one-click fast reservation access for the FX Super One, allowing users to complete their purchase with just one click and secure priority delivery. Actor Cody Walker, known for his role in the Fast and Furious franchise, will join the company live on stage at the launch event to reveal the FX Super One's product and technology. Walker will be taking on a new role as an FX developer co-creation officer, leading a deep dive into the product and its technology. The launch event will be live-streamed globally on July 17th at 7:30 p.m. PDT. The company is also advancing the evolution of its FF91 model, with upcoming features such as intuitive gesture control powered by AI, allowing users to open and close doors with simple hand gestures. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore.